French defense, main line, Steinitz variation, 7, a 6-8. Nf3c5. Intense. That was a serious game. White really outplayed black in that one. Both players had an amazing opening. That was a well-fought middle game that white got the better of. Sharp games are frequently the result of starting with the king's pawn, since it dominates the center and frees up the bishop and queen on the light squares. While preparing for d5, the French defense prevents the light-squared bishop in favor of a strong center and opportunities for counterattacks. The center is fully controlled by d4 and the dark-squared bishop is made available. The e4 pawn is threatened by the center counterattack on d5. Nc3 defends the e4 pawn and pressures the d5 pawn. Nf6 defends the d5 pawn and also attacks the e4 pawn. Bg5 pins the knight on f6 and threatens e4 e5. b7 develops the bishop and unpins the knight on f6. e5 takes space in the center, closes the position and attacks the knight on f6. Nfd7 retreats the knight and allows the exchange of dark-squared bishops. Bxe7 captures the dark-squared bishop instead of retreating the bishop. Qxe7 captures the bishop and develops the queen. f4 takes space in the center, supports the e5 pawn and prepares to develop the knight behind the f pawn. a6 takes control of the b5 square and prepares the b5 pawn push. Nf3 develops the knight toward the center and supports the pawns on d4 and e5. c5 takes space in the center, attacks the d4 pawn and prepares to develop the queen's knight behind the c pawn. By doing this, a queen moves off of its beginning square and into the action. By doing this, a knight moves out of its beginning square and into the action. It is the final book action. Castling gets the king to a safer square, out of the center of the board, while also developing a rook. Castling queenside tends to be more active because the rook is closer to the center. It is good. That's a decent move. That's good. The pawn is now passed because it can no longer be opposed as it attempts to promote by other pieces. That's good. Backs off. It is quite good. The rooks are linked by this, making it easier for them to work together in the future. It is ideal. A pawn kicks the opposing knight, forcing it to move or risk being captured. It is ideal. The knight is thus brought to safety. It is ideal. What I would have advised is that. It is ideal. This suggests exchanging items of equivalent value. That's good. This is an equal trade. It is best. Recaptures. It is ideal. This provides an equal exchange of parts. It is ideal. While not a mistake, that is also not the wisest course of action. That's good. Now that the rooks can see one another, they can defend one another. It is ideal. This may succeed in winning a bishop. It is ideal. There were worse moves, but also something much better. It is an inaccuracy. Very precise. It is best. It is a fair deal after all captures. It is quite good. Backs off. It is ideal. This exchange is fair. That's good. Recaptures. It is ideal. By posing a threat to a knight and compelling it to flee, this wins a tempo. It is ideal. This is a missed chance to use a knight to take an outpost. It is incorrect. A solid choice. It is excellent. This poses a risk of winning a pawn. It is quite good. That's fine. It is good. This poses a risk of winning a pawn. That's good. This prevents the opponent from being able to win a pawn. It is excellent. This requires an outpost, a square that is currently in play where a pawn cannot push the knight off. It is ideal. The rook is now in a safe position. That's good. A pawn that was being attacked and had no defenses is now protected by this. That's good. This is not the best. It is an inaccuracy. This protects the attacked pawn. This is the only move that works. It is a great move. The game was close to balanced, but now black is worse. It is an inaccuracy. This moves the queen to safety. This threatens to win a knight. It is good. There was only one good move in that position. It is a mistake. This keeps the material balance in check with good commerce. That's good. It is a fair deal after all captures. It is ideal. This is an equal trade. It is best. Backs off. It is ideal. A pinned knight may feel more pressure as a result of this. It is incorrect.